Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing you a beautiful shoe for baby boy. So I am using white color for sole, and this is my 2.5 mm needle. So let's start. First of all, I will chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now skip one and the second make half double crochet for 2 times, 1 and 2. Now half double crochet in next 7 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now in the last one make 6 half double crochet, 1 2. Now make 2 1 2 1. Okay, half double crochet for 2 times in the next 1 into the next, 2 into the next, and 1 into the next. And now slip stitch into the second stitch. Now my sole is complete. Now make chain 1. Now I will make a single crochet from the back side like this. Okay, see, insert hook into the back side and make single crochet again into the next stitch from back side. This is, see, insert hook and pull a loop from this side and make a single crochet. Now again do it till to the end of this side, single crochet all over shoe sole like this. Now I finished my first row. This is the upper part, single crochet all over into the stitch. Now cut the yarn. Now this is the front of my shoe sole. So count 10 from this side and 10 from this side. So we will have 20 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I make this is the front part of my shoe sole. So 10 from this side and 10 from this side. We will have I have 20 stitches. So I will start from this side and change the color of my yarn. This is the light purple. So make a chain 1. Chain 1 in the same, make single crochet and make single crochet this is my single crochet all over till to the next stitch marker. Now this is the first stitch marker. Now chain 1 and make 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 4. Now skip 2 and make double crochet into the next and make 8 double crochet in every stitch, in every 8 stitches. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now skip 2 1 2 into the next, make 4 single crochet. Now again chain 1, turn, make 2 single crochet and skip 2 in the next, make in the next 8 stitches make double crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this one is my 8. Now skip 1 2 and into the next 2 stitches make single crochet. Now chain 1, turn your work, skip 2 in the next, make double crochet in 8 stitches. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and in the last make slip stitch. It will look like this. Now chain 1, chain 1 and make 9 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now chain 1, turn your work. Now make single crochet in 2 in 1, sorry, make single crochet in 1 and double crochet, half double crochet into the 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and make a slip stitch here. Now it will look like this. So cut the yarn and make, if you want to stitch, it's up to you, or you you do it like this. It's your choice. So this is my front part. See? Now I will start my back part of the shoe. Now from this side, 1, 2, in the second I will insert a hook and same color yarn, chain 1 and single crochet into the next, into the front part of the stitch. Now do single with this stitch like this till to the other side. Now this is the end of my next side. So to the stitch of, see here, I will make chain 1, single crochet into the next, make single crochet. Now chain 1, turn your work. Now I will do half double crochet, skip 2 into the next, make half double crochet. This is the hole for the what will we call it? Okay, let's go. Now this is the end of my another side. So skip 2 and in the next make single crochet, half double crochet. This is the last. Okay, this hole is for the lace. Now chain 1 and make single crochet into the every stitch till to the end. Now chain 1, turn your work, again half double crochet, skip 2 in the next, make half double crochet, and this is also the hole for a lace, one this and one this. Okay, make it till to the next end. Now this is the next end, skip 2 and in the last one make half double crochet. Now chain 1 and make single crochet till to the next end. In the end, cut the yarn and make it tight. Cut it. Now it will look like this. So I will make lace for it with the white yarn, this one, chain 83, 1 2 3, 83. Now insert from the first hole this one and from the next hole just like this. Okay, and it should be parallel. Now My cute little shoe is finished with cute look. See how beautiful it is. I hope you will like it. Cute shoe, and I will be in touch with you in another tutorial. Inshallah, take care of yourself. Till then, Allah Hafiz.